Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this render in less than 10 minutes. First, I will be using a 3D shoe that I found on Sketchfab. It's a free asset, so I'll put a link in the description for you to download it. You will see when you import the shoe and all the textures, so the color texture, the roughness, the normal, you will see that your shoe will be black and white. To change the color of it, you just need to add a ramp to the color texture and change the color of the ramp. To have a different color on different part of the shoe, what you need to do is select the shoe, go to the polygon mode and press U and F to select different part of the shoe, and like that you can assign a different texture. You will create for me I create 3 different material because I have 3 different color, so it's like that you need to do it. So yes, let's begin. First, I will select my shoe. I will press Alt and click on Cloner. And as you can see, my shoe became very small. So to correct that, I will press and deselect Reset Coordinate. I'll go to my mode and go to Radial, and I will increase the size to maybe something like that to begin with. I will then go to my transform window, and here I will put a value of 9 and 4, 198 and 180. And I will decrease the radius to something like 212. Should be good. Now I will go to my render settings, to the output, and I want a square. So for that I will select the lock ratio and I will put a width of 1080. I will create a camera. In my camera, I will put a focal length of 200. I will put my camera in my camera folder. I will go to my coordinates and 0 the rotation. Then I'll place the camera at the center and have maybe something like that. So now I will enable my render view and I will double click to lock my camera and I will create my first light. So here you can create your light by going to Redshift, like an area light. I will reduce the spread here in the object to 0.3 and I will change the shape of my area light to something like that, and I will place it like I want. I will press N and D to have a better view, the viewport. So I put my area light to something like that. Like that should be good, I think. Yes. So if you want to place it like me, it's going to be something like that. Okay. So now, as you can see, it's too bright. So I'm going to decrease the intensity to 25 and the exposure to -4. And now I will create my second and last light. We just need 2 lights to make this render. I will disable my first main light. I will name it main light. And I will create a second light who will be a rim light. The rim light will be on the back. And the purpose of it is to add some details on the side of the shoes and dissociate the object from the background. So I'll put that in the back. I will go to my front view and go make it in the center. I'll increase the size of it to like 550, and I will make it bit in the back, and I will decrease the intensity to 25 and I think -4 like the one before. So as you can see, we have some nice details on the side of the shoe, and now we can dissociate the object from the background, because if I enable back my first light and disable my rim lights, as you can see, now we can't dissociate the background from the object. And now the lighting is finished. We have all the things that we want. I will rename that rim light. And now what we need to do is create a background. So for that I will create a plane. I will put it here. I will increase the size like that. And to create the background, I will create a material. In the material, I will disable the reflection. So the roughness and the weight should be to 0. And in the base color, we'll put a green value. So 111 for the hue, 6 for the saturation, and 8 for the value. Should be good. And now create an area light. The area light, the shape of the area light should be a disc. And now put the disc in the center. Increase the size to like 750. And now we're good. So thanks for watching. I hope you have learned something. As you can see, it was fast and I think easy to understand tutorial. So if you have any question, drop a comment. If you have like the tutorial, you can drop a like. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter. I'm pretty active on this platform. Thanks for watching and see you.